Hi guys, welcome to Homemade and Homegrown. I am in the kitchen today. I'm actually doing a fresh coat of paint. In my last video, one of my last videos, I had spoke about this sticker that's on my wall that I can't remove unless I want to destroy it, which I don't. So my dad gave me an idea about framing it. So I thought, yeah, okay. So hubby found an old frame up in the attic, and I am going to be kind of antiquing it. I did start on it, but we'll see you in a minute, okay? We'll talk more. Okay, sorry about the light, guys, but yes, thanks for stopping by Homemade and Homegrown. My name is Tammy, for those of you who don't know me. Welcome to the channel. But yeah, so right now I just started antiquing the frame that I'm going to put around this. So this is a very old frame. There was two pieces to it actually, and we took it off so because it's not going to fit. Right, so I've got this piece, which I'm going to also keep, and I'll do something else with it. But let me carefully put that down. But I didn't want to completely paint it, right, solid. So I've just been taking my chalk paint. I'm actually using chalk paint, and I'm using just this thin little brush, very thin brush, and I am just kind of scraping by it, you know. So I'm going to put the camera down so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. But I just figured I'd take you along with me here and turn the camera on and show you what I'm doing today. Okay, so that the back sunlight that's coming through the door isn't in your face, I decided to flip this around, so don't mind the mess back here. But anyway, this is the frame, very old. I don't know where it came from. It even still has some of the embellishments on it. I decided to keep it just to really keep that authentic look to it. But we're going to try and set this camera down in a good spot for you to see. So, okay, how's that? All right, so like I said, I'm just taking this thin dollar store brush. Came in a pack of different sizes for $2. And I'm taking just small strokes, and then I take the paper towel and I'm going to kind of buff it a bit. But I'm just doing little strokes like this to put some of the color on. Okay, and then I'm going to take the paper towel. I'm just going to kind of scruff it up a bit. Just do little circular motions. And then this is how I'm getting the edges. Because you think about wear and tear, what's going to happen. I'm just going to put a dab here. When it's wearing and tearing, it's going to show more wear on the edges and the sides than anything. But you just don't want a solid, I guess, a solid stroke. You just want it to kind of, I don't know, you're roughing it. That's what I'm calling it. I'm just roughing, scraping the brush along very lightly. So the wood doesn't, because it's old wood and it's going to suck up the paint real quick, right? So you don't want it to do that. And so I'm not dipping a whole lot into the can here, because I just want to use up what's on it. These are just cheap brushes too. And I'm kind of just getting enough paint out the sides of the wall of the can just to pick up. Like I said, I don't want to saturate the brush too much, and I'll have to flip it to get to the other side. But, oh, got my finger. That's okay. Every time I paint, I always wear it. So I kind of want to get this done before Christmas. Come along. Let me get you closer. See if that's a little better. It's just kind of scraping. The brush is just grazing by. These are cheap plastic type bristles, so it's giving me the look that I want. So I'm freshening up the paint on the walls as well, so what do you think? Looking pretty good, eh? Actually better than I thought it would. I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube doing this, so really this is like the first real antique job that I've done. I've done other projects where I use new things, like I've got, actually, bring you over here for a sec. I bought some of the shelving units, so I gotta get painting them too, and I found one of those stars. So, I've done those things before, but not anything like this. Right, I'm going to take the paper towel and I just soften it up. Can you see that? That way I can get in the inside here. Going to go like so, right? It's just barely fitting, which I'm very grateful. Sounds like Joe is up to something out there. I know he's starting on building a brooder box for the new chicks. I've asked him to put it on legs, so let's go see what he's doing. What you doing?
Hi, honey. I'm just playing with some wood.
Playing with some wood?
Yep.
That looks like an old countertop.
No. It's actually old paneling we pulled out of the house.
It is?
Yeah.
Where has this been?
The drywall, huh?
Where has this been?
This has been in the sun porch.
Was this from the kitchen?
The junk you always tell me to move all the time?
Was this from the kitchen?
No, this was from the living room. All the junk you tell me to move all the time because it's in your way, I said, no, I'm going to need it. I need it. See?
Yeah, how many years later?
Doesn't matter. Does not matter.
I know.
It's
okay,
yeah.
So you're making a brooder?
I'm going to make a bigger, more proper brooder than our makeshift drawer that we have with a little bit of plywood on top. Yeah. So I took all the nails out of the pallets, out of the wood from the pallets. That's what I'm going to use as the frame. Just sitting over there. And one right beside your foot. I forgot to take the nails out.
Yeah. Gee, nice sunny day today.
Yeah. Huh?
Nice sunny day out today.
Oh, it's beautiful out. Between cutting this, getting some splinters in my hands, and chasing chickens out of my shed, it's a great day.
Anyway, I'm going to go back inside and start on the walls.
You have fun.
I'll try to. There, I just wanted to see what he was up to. I was being nosy. Alright, so what I have to do is I have to get rid of all this. Get that out of the way. Yeah, I gotta take some stuff off the... Not are you, but am I the only one that the top of the fridge collects things? Like, I'm gonna be gutting and getting rid of a lot of stuff because I can't have that. The only thing that I'm thinking that is gonna look nice up there is like my antique stuff that I bought at an antique store, you know, and then put some, you know, flowers or something else in it to go up there. But I'm gonna have to take down all that stuff, which is just junk that Joe puts up there. I do have a couple of vases up there though. But he's got WD-40 and tools and screwdrivers and things like that. Anyway, I gotta take that down, and I'm gonna get him to pull the fridge out for me. I'll have to pull the microwave stand, pull that forward. I'm actually thinking of painting that as well. I think the screw is stripped. Shoot. I may not be taking this down. Honey,
Hi, dear.
do you have a square head screwdriver? So I could take this coat hanger off the wall?
Would you rather a drill?
Whatever.
And it's called a Robertson.
Okay. Do you have a Robertson?
It was invented by a Canadian.
That sun may be blaring, but it is cold. What?
We probably put this on when the paint was still wet, because here are the screws.
Yeah, but did the screw also
But those screws are probably in the wall.
in the wall too? Which are they? They're Starhead. So what's that one? If that's not
That's-
Robertson, what is the Starhead?
That is a Phillips.
That is a Phillips.
Yeah.
A Phillips screwdriver is Starhead. Square is Robertson.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. As you can see, I already started painting a couple days ago because you can tell the two shades, the difference.
Bye. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for helping. What a guy. Okay, so that's down. And now I gotta move on to the other stuff here. But I gotta get this stuff out of the way. Okay. This has gotta go outside. Anyway, I'm gonna get this swept up, and I'm gonna wash right there on the vent, heater vent, and then I'm actually gonna paint that. That needs to be painted. Okay, got that all cleaned up. So as you can see, the two-tone. So I've got to finish that wall right there, and then I have to finish this wall here. So I have to repaint these. They're in rough shape. I just got some cheap interior doors and trim paint. Okay, let's start over here at this end. It's not even completely covering. I guess that's what you get for buying cheap paint. So I'm gonna get this all painted and we'll be right back. Okay, that looks a little bit better. I couldn't get this face part off, so it stayed on. So I painted it all together. So I still have to paint these guys next and then put them back on. Okay. Not very good brushes. Oh, I just got my table. I knew I was going to do that. I'm actually putting them on and then I'm going to paint them. Let's try this again. Okay, not happy with the brush, but I gotta make do with what I got. Alright, I won't keep yet, so I'll get this painted and the other one painted and I'll bring you right back. Yeah, hello, Daisy. You always come when I'm busy doing something important. Okay, that looks better. All right, let's get started. I gotta buy some new trim and put it here on top of the heater. Okay, there we go. That wall's finished. I'm hoping it's gonna blend in better. Once it dries, I'm sure it will. Here we go. I'm thinking, actually Joe said to me I should just put the frame up and then just paint around the frame because this is still, like, it's nice, so look at this. Unbelievable. Bad girls. I got a feeling Joe's got a good idea. Because I really don't want to mess this up. Yeah, I'm going to get him to help me put the frame up. Honey.
Huh?
Honey.
Hi.
You want to put that frame up so I can paint around it like you said?
You don't put it up right away. Kind of trace it.
Will you do that?
Is that a better brooder box?
I'm thinking so, yeah. Yeah, definitely. And this lifts. Is it on hinges? Oh, you're putting hinges on now? I'm sorry, I didn't know. The girls see me and they're like, where's all the treats? All right, let's go, girls. You want some sunflower seeds? Okay, girls, ready? Here we go. Get them out of the bucket. Get some more. Over there. Come over here, girls. You come in? Okay, we'll give some to you guys. Out of my way, because I gotta go get Roscoe. Roscoe get some too. Right, Roscoe? No, you're all alone right now. No, you want your girls back. Okay, I'm putting it all over the place. There, okay? Hey, you two. Get out of there. Come on. Out, out, out. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Go get some. What? Are you starting to say something?
You want something to kind of hold us up, right?
A little bit.
Where's the frame?
I'll get the frame, but explain what you mean. So you're going to trace the frame first?
Yeah, you gotta put the frame up there, kind of trace it.
Is this dry?
Is what dry? The frame?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, it'll be like this.
I guess. Alright.
So, you kind of, then there'd be dark lines.
Do you get that centered?
Pretty much. I thought it was. Isn't it?
Yeah.
And just kind of paint in here. Don't go any further than these pencil lines.
Right.
We can barely see it, but yeah, don't go any further. And then the center will stay this color with the frame around it and looks like a picture. Voila. And that's it.
There you go.
Bye.
It's so funny. He puts up with me. I'm glad he does because nobody else would. Okay, I think I did okay. Geez, I hope this is going to be looking okay when I put the frame up. I really hope I don't have to do 2 coats. Of course, I got to get it on the trim. Wouldn't be Tammy painting if she doesn't get it all over the place. And yes, I could probably use painter's tape and all that, but I hate that I can't get a clean line no matter what tape I've used. Can't wait to see the finished product of that chicken brooder he's building for me. I'm asking him to put it on legs too, so. Okay, now I gotta get him to move the fridge. Whew, okay, we got that wall finished. Looks pretty good. And I got that wall finished. Oh, that thing's loud. Looks pretty level to me. It looks level to me.
What do you mean two-tone? That's the wall and that's a picture.
Thanks, Einstein. That's the wall, that's the picture. Yeah, sure it is. Sure
Pictures
is.
are not supposed to be the same background as the wall.
Right.
Hey, that's nice frame. And to think, I was going to throw that out 15 years ago.
Yeah, I did not a bad job though on
No, you did
antique
pretty.
painting it
You did
for the
a
first
real
time.
Nice job. Real nice job, honey.
Are you sure? And I'm going to decorate it and put some kind of garland over top of it.
Alrighty then.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
And I'm really excited about that one panics. She always panics. Do it again. Let's hear you, buddy. Let's hear you crow. There you go. Come on. Give her. He's letting him know that he found food. While they're already digging in. That's funny. It's been interesting getting to know this guy. Hi, guys. What are you barking at down there? What do you see? Let's shovel it in, eh, girls? Are we hungry this morning? Good morning. Good morning. Yes, how are you? How have you been doing? Yeah. First time touching snow. What is it? Pretty cold on the feet. Well, everybody, you can see we got some snow. This is our first batch of snow that is actually staying. It's actually going to rain here in a minute. It hasn't been a very busy week this week, but Joe and I are going to add some more shavings to the bedding. It needs to be touched up a bit, and probably over the other coop too, over here. So we're just doing a few little chores here and there. I don't think you want to come out, Diaz. We'll open it, but it's full of snow. I know. Look, they're flying because they don't want to touch it. Really? You girls are silly. Hello. Come here. Come see mommy. Oh my goodness, you're being awful loud. I don't know, that Tika girl, every time I'm dealing with the chickens, then she gets barking facing the field, like as if something's there. It freaks me out. Because for any of you that's been watching the channel long enough, we've got predators like crazy around here. And the major one is weasels and bobcats. Oh, we got one girl by herself. I thought you were inside. Now we got to bring you in there. This one's schizo. She's up on the fence. Now I got to try and get her in there because she panics like crazy when I go anywhere near her. And I don't know why. See, this is what I mean. I have no idea if she actually sees something down there. This should be interesting trying to get her in there. No, don't go that way. Please don't go that way. We're going to get the shavings out of the shed. And we're going to somehow... Now you're going to have to take out that separation, and I'll have to hang on to who you call Squawky so that you can put the shavings in.
Oh. That's going to be... Oh
man. Golly, I pinched my finger off of this thing, putting it on.
Just walk it off.
Walk it off.
Walk
Yeah.
it.
Lift.
My side's lifted. Yeah, slap her down there. That's high. Carry it.
You got more muscles than I do. Yeah, slip slide.
You want to go do that one first or no?
Yeah, they could probably use some.
Yeah, I was going to feed them. They only have a little bit here.
You should put some down there too.
Why?
Because they like to scratch themselves and bring the shavings up into there. You know, scratch themselves.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Oh, yeah, sure. Now you don't know where it went.
Huh? I do. I see it right now.
You do?
You think I'm stupid?
I'm not going to answer that.
I know.
Okay, girls, don't freak out. Don't freak out. We're just going to add some shavings. Don't panic.
What's going on?
Yeah.
You're almost big enough to go play with the other one.
No, not yet.
I said almost. Look, what a face.
I know.
Only a mother could love.
She's so cute.
Yeah, she's getting better. What's up? Could you get off? You're a little heavy. Go. Get off. Get off. There you go. Nice tight fit there.
Oh, that thing's gonna fall on your head.
No, it ain't. It's attached. That's why I said it's a pain to move it over.
Oh, we got an egg right there.
Well, look at that. Bonus.
All week I've been getting eggs right there. On the other side of the fence.
You want to make some bets that this thing actually lasts having it in my pocket?
The egg?
Yeah, it's going to be like scrambled eggs. I can almost guarantee it.
Oh, this is gonna be fun trying to do that in there.
All right. Where there's a will, there's a way, woman.
Make sure it's way back there, because
Hey, I got a process. Leave me alone. Yeah, I'm going to take this out. This is very dangerous.
let me see.
You want it? Okay. Yeah, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Please don't fly away.
Huh?
What are you doing? Just put it in one spot and then you're gonna spread it?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi, kids. Incoming.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you're doing it like that.
I just did that for funnies.
What?
We like grooming our chickens.
Just dump it out right there and then we'll pick it up.
You put a little squawky back there, honey?
Yes, I did.
All right. Where's that egg I found?
In my pocket.
Okay. That's good.
This doesn't look right. Why is it leaning like that?
Because it was always
Oh,
leaning like
no, the egg is
What?
broken in my pocket.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I guess we're having scrambled eggs today.
Oh,
Well, you know what the good thing is, honey?
there's nothing good about that.
Well, yeah, it was your pocket, not mine.
I'm not going to wash that out.
Sorry.
Funny. Oh, boy. You can't get it.
I can't see it.
Yeah.
Is it in there?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
in there.
yeah. Okay, I'm gonna leave before she hits me. Bye.
Be sure you know the answer. Surely no sincere person who understands even the most basic teachings of God thinks God will save those who are not Christians. Read Acts 4:12. Yet almost no one understands the Bible definition of a Christian. Since only true Christians will be saved, we must know
Hold it inside out and then slap it in the washing machine.
has the Holy
I don't believe this.
That's what I had to do with my jacket when it did it to me last time.
Oh, man. Well, I gotta wash the jacket anyway, right?
Okay, you want to hold the dustpan?
Look, ladies, I'm catching it on videotape.
Oh, shush.
Look at that. They know how to work it.
Oh, I had a hard time. I couldn't find a plug for it. Hey, who was eating syrup?
Oh, my God. She's even down on his knees. I got my Vessi Seeds catalog in the mail. Flowers and vegetables.
Yay!
There's gonna be a few things that I'm gonna try this year, or this next spring.
Does that mean more work for Joe?
Yeah. Yay!
No.
Yeah. Yeah, there's quite a few things I want to check out. But, gotta look through the catalog first.
I don't want to do any more gardening, honey. Welcome, friend.
You see that, Jacqueline? I still got the sign that I got from your wedding. Well, we'll see how level that thing is.
Yeah, it's a little off. It's like off by really a lot.
Doing.
You had fuzzy.
I thought you were playing monkey. Action.
Lights. Camera. Okay, I'm going to open.